Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to replace amplifier at GMC Acadia. As you can see, I have a GMC Acadia front of me. Issue with this car, my radio works fine but no audio. So that's the most common problem in these GMC Acadia. Your amplifier go bad. The reason behind, because if you go here at the wipers and there's a seal around it, when you wash or raining happen, if that seal is not good, you can get water inside the amplifier because your amplifier is located under steering wheel. If you see through the drive, the steering wheel is amplifier under. Let me see if I can somehow. I have to take this one, that's amplifier. So in this video I will show you step by step how you can replace really easy, and after replace if it is going to work or not. As you can see, I have a new amplifier over here. This one actually located under the steering wheel like that. That's really hard to get to it. These two screws are really hard. This one still a little bit hard, but you can easily take this one off. You need a deep socket or you need a flexible drill shaft. So now let's start how we can replace this amplifier at GMC Acadia. So if you at the driver's side and under the steering, amplifier is located over here. First we have to remove this plate. To remove this plate we have a 3 clip, 1, 2 and 3. We're gonna remove 3 clip, then plate will fall, and then we will access to amplifier here behind it. It's really hard to make a video, but I will manage to make or explain whatever I can do better. So clips are like that. We have to pull this one out and the other will come off. So that's the way. There's a second one. It's like that. Then one more. So we got all 3 clip, fall plate, and you can pull it back. We're gonna move on side. Now probably we'll be able to see. So now probably you're able to see amplifier over here. I can feel both, one over here, two behind, but I cannot see. So we have to work with the feelings. Just this one, I believe this one 7 millimeter. So now we're gonna take those bolts off. So the bolt on amplifier is 7 millimeter. I'm going to use 7 millimeter socket, and I have this flexible drill shaft. So let's see if this is gonna work. If not, we will use another technique. So actually there was a wire harness on my way, so I have to remove from this piece. I think that's one OVD, and I have still amplifier over here. I have to access to it, so I'm gonna remove those 2 bolts. So actually I have a replaced amplifier already without camera because it was really hard to make a video. I use couple tools. I also use for the first screw this flex. For the top one I use this one. So this one actually you cannot see, you cannot reach there, so just with one hand you can feel it like put a 7 millimeter socket and you can spin it. And the same way the bottom one I have not even a place to put anything. I use this small socket I loosen out with the ratchet and I just take it off by my hand. The way I took it off, same way I just put it back. And the really hard part was the wire harness. Wire harness was really short. I cannot even pull, I cannot even see. So I have to just guesstimate and remove all the plugs, and all plugs are different size. They don't go, and you cannot even mix it. So now my amplifier installed, I'm going to put everything back because I have to take this cover off too, and I'm going to put all the cover back and we will be testing. So just in case, before you start replacing or you need a part number, I have a here old one, original one I got from car already from GMC Acadia. That's the model number, part number. You can buy it before, so you can do everything in one day. So otherwise you have to take it off, look at the part number, then you have to order, and you not probably made sure like if that's the original one. Now we have replaced already, and I'm done with putting all the screws back, wire harness, everything good to go. We are ready to test. So now we're ready to test. As you can see, I have a key on and my radio is on, and we have a sound already. So our radio is working. That was the only amplifier, no audio, but my radio was working fine. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in next video with the new topic.